Hello, Long Yisa. So we're gonna go fishing. Let's see if we're really gonna get the fish this time. And we have to put gas in the boat and in the truck. On our way to the fishing to the delta, I see this beautiful, beautiful flower, and I like it. Have to show you guys. They are fishing now, and we haven't started yet, but we're about to go find our favorite spot to see if we can get any fish. This guy is coming fast, but he will slow down because this is slow zone. Here we go. Let's see if we're gonna get any fish today. Lot of fishermen today. Our favorite spot has a lot of people today. One like here, one like there, and then one on the other side. My camera gonna be so bad if I turn around. Hi friend, how are you? So where this guy at? He always stay there by the tree right here, but then we guess we're gonna go somewhere else. So we got headache. Hopefully they got a lot of fish. We used to get some fish out here, but then what happened was it was not big enough to keep. You guys see this bird? Hello, Mr. Bird. Are you lonely? No, you're not, huh? You got a lot of good food to eat out here, fresh, good water, everything. United States is so nice and beautiful. Hey, just wait and see if they're gonna bite. Thank you. While waiting for the fish to bite, let's drink some soda. Cheers. It's not too hot today, right? It's not too hot today. Perfect weather. The wind is not hot. It's good to have some wind. I didn't bring any snack or any food. Oh, we have more company. It's good. The more, the better. And I do have snack, my chips. I wonder if they get any fish. You guys have any fish? You guys got any fish? They cannot hear me. No biting today. What's going on? My neighbor over here, they got some fish early. I was like, good job, you guys. But we got nothing so far. No fish. So we just gonna go home with empty hands. Maybe next time we don't give up. We will come and try again and again and again. Ah, but don't eat my bait, though. Look. Look at my bait. It's empty. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hey, look, look, look. Someone coming.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time fishing.